Hello, everyone. In this example, I want to show you how to get custom formats in Excel for thousands, lakhs, and crores. It is a little more difficult than what it seems. Now, the formats are already put in the file, and the file is available on GitHub. So there's not really much to explain here. It's a little complex, but then these are ready-to-use formats. So for example, this 34162 is coming as 34 with a K. And if you right click and go to format cells, the shortcut is Control+1. You can see that the custom format is like this. Again, for 34162, the custom format is a little different here. For lakhs, we have a format here, and for crores, we have a format like this. The only part I would like to mention is that this particular format that we have, I'll just copy it. It looks like this. Let me just tell you what I mean by that. So this is the format, and let me remove the wrap text. Okay, like this. First, let me get the same numbers. So I'll copy and paste the same numbers. To get this 5.12 crores, you can simply copy this, come back, press Control+1 or right click format cells, go to custom, and then paste this format. What you have to do after that is that where we have CRS followed by a double quote, keep your pointer after the double quote. Let me zoom in and explain. So keep your pointer after the double quote and press Control+J, J for justify, and press OK. Now you will see something strange happening here, this 7%, 1%. All you have to do is to go to wrap text, and you notice that that value will go away. Yes, if you increase the height, you will notice that you are getting the 7%, but that shouldn't really bother you because the height will remain like this, correct? And the value in the cell is still the same number. So for example, if I would like to find the sum of all of these, that still works without any problem at all, right? So it's a little strange the way this works, but then this is how you have to do it.